right, this is Lee. Say hi, Lee.
Hi, Lee.
That's it. Lee's going to be driving this leg. Today, of course, we've got the rig. Yep, there's the rig. We're heading to Wyoming. Let's go.
Okay, bye.
I have my Autopilot running. This Autopilot in my Ford is awesome.
My name is Otto A Pilot.
And Otto drives my Ford here. Look at that. I can sit over here in the passenger seat. And Otto just drives down the road.
Hands-free.
Hands-free.
Oh, geez. It's okay. It's okay. I'll be fine.
We worked our way around Kansas City to the west, and we're getting on the highway heading out to the west. We'll be on Interstate 70 one of these days. When we left Lee's place in lower Kansas City in Peculiar, we went cross-country on a diagonal northwest to pick up Interstate 70, and that's where we are now.
Not yet.
Well, not yet. We're getting there. If you look at the Legacy nav here, it's way out of date, but it kind of shows us we're 70's up here, and we're working our way up to Interstate 70 here. Is there a guy, or no? It's automatic.
It's automatic. When the mirror hits it, you're in the right spot.
All right. Here we are. Autopilot has done a fantastic job so far this trip. And we're here on the Turnpike, or the toll road here now. Fueling up here. We're at the Oasis here along the Turnpike. It's cold. We get her done. $63.94, 20.3 gallons. All right, going through the city of Topeka, Kansas here now. We got off the Turnpike and going through town.
The proper pronunciation is Topeka.
Topeka, our Autopilot says.
Boy, that's going to bring some hate.
Oh, I bet. But there you go. It's going around the old interstate. It's comes and makes a 90-degree left turn here. This is the Flint Hills of Kansas. Yeah, this is Fort Riley. As Lee said, it's the home of the Big Red One. And I don't see much activity. They must be out doing something. Yeah, we're here in Salina, Kansas now. It's a stop along the way here. I've stayed here many times. The supercharger is located right here, past the IHOP. Located in the parking lot of the Holiday Inn Express, which is this big multi-story building right here. Just on the back side there, you can't see it here, but this is where the supercharger is here in Salina, Kansas, right on the end there. We're westbound now of Salina, Kansas, and the road is straight as an arrow. That proves it. This is where toilet paper comes from. we have a sighting of a performance Model Y, and he's moving out. Shout out to the Kansas Model Y. Nice one. Hey Otto, how's the fuel situation?
It says we're only got a couple kilowatts left.
Oh yeah, look at this.
Yep.
41 miles of range. Are you getting
11 miles per gallon? Yes.
That's at a what, $3.30 fuel? Yeah,
it's cheap.
that's what I'm talking about. We're about ready to get off at Hayes here before we run out of fuel. That's Hayes, Kansas. All right, it's not your eyes. It's smoky here. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's hard to see here on the viewfinder, but it is seriously smoky. It's coming from someplace out there, and big time smoky. And it smells like we're standing next to the fire here. Oof. Well, there's the source of the smoke. Looks like they're got some kind of fire going on in a field, maybe. They usually burn the fields, but generally not in high winds, so that's not cool.
Sure, Will Robinson.
Oh,
27 miles to go.
27 miles. Will we make it? Yeah, we'll make it. Hayes is right here. Yeah, we're getting off the interstate here now. We're going to get some Dino Juice in this contraption. So happens it's same exit here as the supercharger. Been here lots also.
Range anxiety.
24 miles. Holy mackerel, we just about ran out. Otto, you need to do a better job.
I only can do as programmed.
And there we go. They're off and running. Gallons and gallons. Well, this takes the cake. $79.82. Look at that. 22.1 gallons of Dino Juice. Well, we're hitting the road. This Autopilot requires food. So we have to stop and let him eat. Yeah, look at that range. 255 miles of range. Doesn't help going into the wind. The GOM will calculate that on our last run here. And we've got a wind kicking up here now. Let's have a look around here. Now this is interesting. One giant wind charger in this factory of some kind. Looks like it's grain. It looks like they even have tanker cars there. Maybe they're making some kind of ethanol or something from the fuel using wind to power the factory. That's cool. off the interstate here in Goodland, Kansas. It's about 10 miles from the state line.
18.
Oh, sorry. Autopilot corrected me. We're 18 miles from the state line. And I think the supercharger's over here. Otto seems to think that. Is that what you're thinking, Lee? Oh, I see it. It's actually in the parking lot of the Comfort Inn and the Steak and Shake right there. That's a Tesla Superchargers. Looks like it's a 6-stall. Still is a 6-stall. And we're staying in the Holiday Inn Express right next door. We're in kind of early, but considering that we'd have to come this far all tomorrow, Lee thought it would be a great idea, and it is. And you know, even the best part is nobody's here yet, so we can pick our parking place with the trailer and the truck. So that works out okay. This guy's parked out here, but I think he's temporary. We'll find a place to park here and get us checked in here. Thanks for watching today's video. As you can see, I'm up here in the hotel room editing it. Tomorrow will be our last day. We're going to pick up Greg, Wyoming Greg. You guys know that. We're going to pick him up near Golden, Colorado, and we're headed all to Saratoga tomorrow. So that'll be Lee, Greg from Wyoming, and myself. Thanks for watching. And before I go, just a reminder, I'm driving the fossil fuel F-250 to haul supplies up to my house in Wyoming. And my buddies were nice enough to help me do that. Normally I'd be in a Tesla, but in these videos here, I'm not, unfortunately. But I'll throw as much Tesla stuff as I possibly can into the videos. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.